to just do a little introduction to my sort of garden vlog, if that makes sense. Now I'm not very experienced at doing this, so this is my first garden vlog. So it's over, I think, 2 weeks of work. So when I'm not at work, I've done a little bit of work in the garden, and basically I'm just showing you what I've done. My garden is not the most sort of pristine, or it's a bit wild, and that's how I like it. It's a bit of survival of the fittest in my garden as well, because there's parts of the garden that are very different. So on one side it's quite dry and gets a lot of sunshine, and then the other side, where the apple trees and cherry trees are, it sometimes gets really boggy, but I've managed to put some plants in this last year and the year before that are starting to sort of thrive now, which is good. But very often putting bulbs and things like that in, they just rot. So yeah, so I'm wanting to cultivate a more sort of edible garden. You know, what with everything getting more and more expensive, I just wanted to give it a go, really. I've got obviously the apple trees, cherry trees, pear tree and fig tree. We've also got, what else? The plum tree got very old and sort of rotted away, but a new plum tree has come up from that. So we won't get any plums this year, I don't think. It's very small, so it's just about taking care of that little new birth of an old tree, which is quite lovely, I would say. So yeah, we've got raspberry, canes and strawberries, which Draco very often gets to them first. So you will see many a time of Draco and me fighting over the strawberries. So yes, look forward to that. So yeah, it's all trial and error. Some things work, some things don't. Me and my husband have been working in the garden today. I would do this outside, but I feel really quite conscious, so because people are all in their gardens today, which is really nice. The weekend has been really, you know, changeable weather, but not a lot of rain, so that's been nice for everyone to spend time in their gardens. And one of the neighbours was tinkering in their shed, you know, on their motorbike. So yeah, and the other neighbours are playing football in their garden right now. They sound like they're having a lot of fun. But yeah, so so I hope you enjoy my little video. You know, it's just about me regaining connection to nature as well. You know, I feel like my garden's got a lot of nature. You know, there's some days I'll sit out in the morning and you can just hear the birds, or I'll sit in here and you can hear the birds just going for it. It's just amazing. So, you know, we have centipedes and millipedes, tons and tons of snails. Not quite so many slugs, I must say, which is odd. Sometimes we have toad. Haven't seen him this year actually, so I'm not sure if he's still here. We sometimes get visits from hedgehogs, definitely from foxes. Yeah, they can be a little bit scary because some of them are big. But yeah, they like to, the females like to have a good old screaming banshee time in our garden or out in the car park at the back. So yeah, you always know when the females are crying out for their pups, so, or cubs. I can't remember what they're called when they're little. So yeah, there's loads going on. So this is just sort of one part of what I'd like to share with you all. You know, not every garden's perfect. Mine definitely isn't, but you know, it's all a work in progress, and if I'm enjoying it, then that's the main thing. Okay, right, well, hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end. Bye. Dead, and it just got to the point where it fell over, and this is its baby. So yeah, if I can train it well, hopefully it will be a bit nicer than before. And then I've got a few plants to dig out because they've not made it through the winter. But yeah, it's a crazy mess. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I didn't think this one had made it. Got some little flowers, but I think quite a lot of it is died. But I'm not sure, so I'll have to get my mum to have a look at it. But we've got so many brambles behind the greenhouse, which I don't really want to tackle, but maybe another day. Say hello to Draco. Hi Draco, how you doing? Is the sunshine out for you today? Yes, you think so? He's a cool guy, aren't ya? Hey? Are you cool? Don't think Hermione's come out yet, has she? Have a chinny scritch. There you go. I will update you. Oh yeah, I was gonna also, my lavender's just gone nuts. Oh no, that's right. I didn't. Last year was hell on earth. Yeah, and everything got left, so I've got to cut this right back. So yeah, okay, so I've cleared all that. That's now gonna grow potatoes in the compost bins. Don't know how successful that's gonna be, but I thought I'd give it a try, and probably grow some bits in here. I managed to count back as much as I can of the lavender. I need to sort that all out. Getting there, big job. And then I've moved, because we've got this wisteria at the back here. It needs something to grow on, so I've moved the arbor over, so hopefully I can get that to grow over that. And I have cleared as much as I can for today. Patio, I just got to get rid of all the weeds, and then the brick bit there, I am going to make it into a table so that I can put a barbecue on top. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And then this is pretty cool. I think this is called turkey tail, which is quite cool to have it growing. It's just on an old tree that I pushed over, or fell over, should I say. Oh, it's starting to rain. Yeah. The magic of the garden. Yeah. Turkey tail. Okay, it's a bit warmer today, and me and Draco have been out in the garden. doing a bit of grounding and earthing. So yeah. And Miney's off into the distance. Yeah. So today I'm struggling a bit, so I've got in the garden and I've cleared the weeds out of these 2 pots, and there's echinacea seeds in there, a few in there, and some wild seeds. The blue flowers forget-me-nots. I've planted a couple of tulip bulbs in there, but I'm not sure if they're going to come up. So yeah, garden is a mess, but it's a work in progress. Yeah, managed to, well, there's some video that I'm going to put on probably before this, so you've probably seen it already. And I've got to cut the buddleia back and the fig tree, which I'm sitting under, that needs cutting back. But today I have planted some onion bulbs in here and here, and then where we're going to start growing our potatoes, which is in here, that little patch there. I've planted some more onions, so that's it for today, just a little bit. And then I went for my walk. I've got to clear all of this, so that's another job. I'll get there slowly but surely. And then my blackcurrant bush is doing alright, so yeah, we'll get there. And then my magnolia, which is not doing so well. Oh, hey ho. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit back because these 2 are just gonna keep following me around the garden. So I'm just gonna enjoy the sunshine. Okay, so yesterday I showed you what I got up to. Today I am going to try and cut the grass. And here's Lucifer showing some love. Lucy! Lucifer! You look good, boy. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah? You're a good boy? And there's Lilith running amok and annoying her brother. Hey, she being annoying this morning? Yeah? Right, let's get some work done. Okay, right. Grass mowed. Well, it's more moss than grass, but hey ho, it looks a lot better. And this little one has had a lot of exercise chasing the lawnmower. And mummy. Hey, haven't you? Yeah? I think you've worked up a hunger, haven't you? Okay, so yeah, much better. Got a lot of work to do. Got to cut that back. Got to cut the fig tree back. Cut my buddleia back. Sort out all my raspberry canes. And I think I'm going to get some help for the back of the greenhouse, because it's just loads of brambles. Okay, right, I'm going to go and have a shower. tomatoes in their pots. So I've got, I don't even know how you say the name of that one, but that's the name of it. Hopefully my mum will help me with growing these. I'm just going through all my pots and sorting them out at the moment. That's a fig tree which is still going. Hopefully it'll do a bit better this year. It's getting there. And then just pop this one in as well, which is a Roma tomato plant. Did quite well last year, but I did them too late, so I've got them in now. So yeah, I'm just gradually going through all my pots, and I've got loads of seeds that I've collected that may not grow, but I've just been putting seeds in and just maybe hopefully they'll grow. Okay, well I think that's it for this week. I will do some more filming next week when I do some more. Okay, bye. So you've made it to the end of my vlog. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed it. You can also find me on social media. So I am on Facebook, the Wise Women's Haven. So this is my business. I'm a massage therapist, Reiki master, and I teach lots of workshops and things like that. So yeah, take a look. There's all sorts on my page. There's you'll obviously my therapies, and then spiritual goings on. What else? A lot of craft stuff. So I'm doing a lot of fabric dyeing and things like that at the moment, which I'm really enjoying. That will be on another vlog. So I'm going to do it in playlists so you can have a look. So yeah, you can also find me on Instagram at I think it's the @ Clare _ Hendricks. I'll put all of this in the blurb at the bottom so you can find me. Also on TikTok, but I don't do much on there really. But yeah. Anyway, take care and I will see you soon. Bye.